Thor was the house brand name of the Aurora Automatic Machinery Company, and Aurora was tapped by Indian to manufacture their motor for the first 7 years of their existence. But when the deal with Indian ended, Thor decided that they would carry on and design a new motor, improve on Indian's design because it was from 1901 and we're in 1909 and later. It's a beautiful motor, it's quite reliable and very fast. They did a lot of racing, and the MC collection says that it was one of the most complicated restorations they'd ever done because Thors are very rare.